Hey there, welcome back to eGreen Channel. In today's world, we are constantly bombarded with information about the latest diet fads and weight loss trends. From low carb to keto, paleo to vegan, the choices seem endless and often contradictory. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of which path to choose for optimal health and well-being. The sheer volume of conflicting advice can leave anyone feeling paralyzed and uncertain about the best approach to take. Amidst this sea of information, intermittent fasting has emerged as a powerful and scientifically supported approach to weight management, disease prevention, and longevity. This method has gained traction not just among health enthusiasts, but also within the scientific community. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, offering a simple yet effective way to improve your health. By narrowing the eating window, it allows the body to utilize stored fat more efficiently. Intermittent fasting is not a diet in the conventional sense. It's a pattern of eating that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. This cyclical approach can help regulate insulin levels, improve metabolic health, and even enhance cellular repair processes. It doesn't dictate what foods you should eat, but rather when you should eat them. This means you can still enjoy your favorite foods as long as they fit within your eating window. This flexibility makes it a sustainable lifestyle choice rather than a restrictive diet. You can tailor it to fit your personal preferences and daily schedule, making it easier to stick with in the long term. There are many different intermittent fasting methods, each with its own unique schedule and benefits. Some people prefer shorter fasting periods, while others opt for longer ones. One of the most popular and well-researched methods is the 16-8 method, which involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating window to 8 hours. This method is often easier to adopt because it typically includes the overnight fasting period. Other popular methods include the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2 non-consecutive days, alternate day fasting, and eat stop-eat, which involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. Each of these methods has been shown to have various health benefits, from weight loss to improved brain function. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can enhance cognitive performance, reduce inflammation, and even extend lifespan. Intermittent fasting is not a magic bullet, and it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Personalized advice can help you navigate potential risks and maximize benefits. However, incorporating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle can be a safe and effective way to improve your health and well-being. With the right approach and guidance, it can become a valuable tool in your journey towards a healthier, more balanced life. To understand how intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss and improved health, it's crucial to grasp the concept of insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity refers to how responsive your cells are to the hormone insulin. The more sensitive your cells are, the more efficiently they can absorb glucose from your bloodstream, which is essential for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels and overall health. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates blood sugar levels. It acts as a key, allowing glucose to enter cells where it can be used for energy. Without insulin, or if your body becomes resistant to it, glucose remains in the bloodstream, leading to high blood sugar levels. When you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which enters your bloodstream. This process is essential for providing your body with the energy it needs to function. However, the type and amount of carbohydrates you consume can significantly impact your blood sugar levels. This rise in blood sugar triggers the release of insulin, which helps your cells absorb glucose for energy. The more glucose in your bloodstream, the more insulin your pancreas needs to produce to manage it effectively. However, when you frequently consume food, especially sugary and processed foods, your body can become resistant to the effects of insulin. This means that over time, your cells require more insulin to absorb the same amount of glucose, leading to a condition known as insulin resistance. This insulin resistance means that your cells are not efficiently absorbing glucose from the bloodstream, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, weight gain, and other metabolic disorders. Insulin resistance is a significant factor in the development of metabolic syndrome, which includes a cluster of conditions such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess body fat around the waist, and abnormal cholesterol levels. Intermittent fasting helps improve insulin sensitivity by giving your body a break from constant food intake. By reducing the frequency of eating, you allow your insulin levels to decrease, which can help reset your body's sensitivity to insulin. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, allowing your cells to become more sensitive to insulin's effects. This means that when you do eat, your body can more effectively manage the glucose in your bloodstream, reducing the risk of insulin resistance. This improved insulin sensitivity means your body can better regulate blood sugar levels, leading to reduced fat storage and improved metabolic health. A balanced diet, rich in whole foods and low in processed sugars, can further enhance these benefits. Furthermore, when your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it can more effectively utilize stored fat for energy. This is particularly beneficial during periods of fasting, as your body turns to its fat reserves to fuel its activities. This process, known as fat oxidation, is enhanced during fasting periods as your body turns to fat reserves for fuel. Regular physical activity, especially high-intensity workouts, can further boost fat oxidation and support weight loss efforts. By improving insulin sensitivity and promoting fat oxidation, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss and overall metabolic health. Combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, intermittent fasting can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve your overall quality of life. The 16-8 method, also known as time-restricted feeding, is one of the most popular and sustainable forms of intermittent fasting. This method has gained widespread popularity due to its simplicity and effectiveness. As the name suggests, this method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating window to 8 hours. This means you have a specific period during which you can consume all your daily calories. For example, you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. This schedule allows you to enjoy lunch and dinner while still adhering to the fasting protocol. This approach offers a manageable way to incorporate fasting into your daily routine without requiring drastic dietary changes. Meal prepping and planning can make it even easier to stick to your eating window. During the 16-hour fasting window, you can consume calorie-free beverages such as water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea. These beverages can help curb hunger and keep you hydrated. It's essential to stay hydrated during the fasting period to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Drinking plenty of water can also help you feel full and reduce the temptation to break your fast early. The 16-8 method offers several benefits for weight loss, metabolic health, and overall well-being. Many people find that they have more energy and mental clarity when following this fasting protocol. By extending the overnight fast, this method helps regulate hunger hormones such as ghrelin and leptin, which can lead to reduced calorie intake and weight loss. Keeping a food diary can help you track your progress and stay motivated. Additionally, the 16-8 method has been shown to improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and enhance brain function. Incorporating activities like yoga and reading can further support your overall health. The flexibility of the 16-8 method is one of its greatest strengths. You can tailor the fasting and eating windows to fit your personal schedule and lifestyle. You can adjust the eating window to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Whether you have a busy work schedule or a more relaxed routine, this method can be adapted to suit your needs. Some people prefer to have their eating window from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., while others may choose to eat from noon to 8 p.m. The flexibility allows you to experiment and find what works best for you. The key is to find a schedule that feels comfortable and sustainable for you. By doing so, you can make intermittent fasting a long-term part of your healthy lifestyle. One of the most fascinating benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to trigger autophagy, a natural cellular process that plays a crucial role in cell repair, rejuvenation, and longevity. Autophagy, which literally means self-eating, is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells, misfolded proteins and other cellular debris that can accumulate over time and contribute to aging and disease. During periods of fasting, when your body is in a state of energy deprivation, it activates autophagy to conserve resources and eliminate waste products. This process involves breaking down damaged cellular components and recycling them into building blocks for new cells and energy production. Think of it as your body's internal cleaning crew, working tirelessly to keep your cells healthy and functioning optimally. Autophagy has been linked to a wide range of health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved cardiovascular health, and protection against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By activating autophagy, intermittent fasting can help slow down the aging process and promote longevity. While autophagy is a natural process that occurs in the body to some extent all the time, intermittent fasting has been shown to significantly enhance this process. By incorporating regular fasting periods into your lifestyle, you can support your body's natural cellular cleaning mechanisms and promote optimal health and longevity. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Saeed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.